In this video, we'll demonstrate the simple steps to discover the friend requests you've sent on Facebook but have not yet been accepted. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Seeing sent friend requests is a valuable feature to keep track of your outgoing friend requests and potentially manage your social connections more effectively. Let's dive right into this fascinating process. Start by locating the menu button, usually located at the bottom left corner of your Facebook app or website. If you are using an Android device, the menu button might be situated at the top right, but it should be visible somewhere on your screen. After clicking on the menu button, scroll down until you spot the Findfriends-Option and tap on it. At this point, you might be thinking that you are not in the right place, but fear not. The next steps will lead you to your sent friend requests. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Friend Requests option. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. To view the friend requests you've sent, click on the three dots located in the top right corner. This action will trigger a drop-down menu. From there, select View Sent Requests. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the friend requests you've sent that are still pending acceptance by the recipients. Now that you've mastered this valuable feature, you can easily keep track of your sent friend requests on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.